Here's a little hack I've engineered to organize your cables on anything magnetic, which keeps them tidy, but with room to move as you need it. For this you'll need some Arlec gutter hooks, which when undone house an M4 thread. Throw in some 6mm M4 bolts, along with some Zenith 13mm tool clips, and you've got most of what you need to get this job done. Plus of course a drill bit set. I've used a 4mm bit to match the M4 diameter and found that the cobalt drill bits make it a little easier to drill into these clips. Either fit the clip in a vise or some sturdy trusted pliers and drill in to expand the hole. Unscrew the magnetic base so that you can put the rest of the gizmo on. Feed in the M4 bolt and an optional small washer to spread the base of the clip before fitting on the magnetic base. Check my affiliate links in the description. After finger tightening, I'd recommend spreading the arms of the clip to give the bolt a good tighten, and away you go. And that's what you end up with. Cool, huh? I've made a few of these babies for various things around the desk, including under my monitor stand to keep cables up off my desk and organized. Let me know in the comments any uses that you find for this. While you've got some of these magnets, check out my hack for a headphone mount, which I'll leave linked on screen, and stay tuned for my DIY controller mount video.